Good morning students, we are doing chapter number 6 and today we will learn about the parallel lines and transversal. So this topic you already learned in class number 7. Now we have in diagram you can see that line M and R lead to parallel lines. Okay, these two lines are the parallel to each other, that means they will never intersect each other at any point or anywhere. Okay, that means these two lines will not intersect each other anywhere. Okay, and there is one transversal L is given. So L is a transversal such that L intersect line M at point this and at point N at point this. Okay, M and L are the two lines and L is a transversal which intersect M and N into two distinct points. So name these two points as, I am taking this point as P and this point as Q. Okay. So in this figure you can say how many angles were formed or there. How many angles are there? You can say there is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and last angle 8. So there is 8 angles we are forming. So we can write it by its name angle 1 and this one is angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and then thereafter angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and last angle 8. So these 8 angles are forming there. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to check which angles are interior angles and which are exterior angles. So see, this is the section there where we can say that all these 4 angles were forming which are internal angles. So this is the internal part of these two lines. Internal part is there because this is in the internal side. No? So these two and these two, that means these 4 angles are internal angles, and angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8, these 4 angles are outside of these 4 lines, these 2 lines. So these 4 angles are external angles. Clear? Now there are so many kind of angles here creating. So first kind of angles is corresponding angle. So which is the corresponding angle? Corresponding angles of this diagram you can see there. There is the angle 1 and angle 1 is as it is like angle 5 and these both are in the same side. So these are the corresponding angles. So I am writing the numbers of corresponding angles, how many are there. Okay, angle 1 and angle 5, second angle 2 and angle 6, you can see there angle 2 and angle 6. Similarly angle 4 and angle 8. In third number there is angle 4 and angle 8, and in fourth number angle 3 and angle 7. Angle 3 and angle 7. These 4 are the corresponding angles of this diagram. Okay. Now alternate interior angles. How can you say there these are alternating interior angles? So alternate means the opposite. So angle 1 means opposite and alternate interior. Alternate interior. Now interior angle, that means these are the internal part. These from there to there is the internal part. So angle 4 is internal and angle 4's alternating interior angle is angle number 6 and angle number 3's alternate interior angle is angle number 5. So there are the alternating interior angles are angle 3 and angle 5, and second one pair of alternate interior angles are angle 4 and for the interior internal part. Now we have to do it in external part. So this is the angle 1 and alternate angle of 1 is angle 7. So first is angle 1 and angle 7 are the alternate exterior angle, because 7 is just opposite to the 1 in external part. And similarly for the angle 2 there is the external, and there is angle number 8. So I am taking here angle 2 and angle 8. These are the pair of alternate exterior angles in this diagram. Now we have one more thing, one more angle is creating there. Interior angles of the same side of the transversal. So interior angle, where is the internal area? From there to there. We are taking internal part. Okay. So in this internal part, where is the transversal? There. Transversal is L. So same side angle. So same side. In the same side there is angle 3 and angle 6. Both are in the internal part and both are in the transversal. So first thing we are taking angle 3 and angle 6, and second angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 5 and angle 3 and angle 6. These are the interior angles of the same side of a transversal. Okay. Now one thing which is have to understand, we have corresponding angles are always equal when these two lines are parallel. That means if M is parallel to N, that means these two lines are parallel to each other, then angle 1 and angle 5, that means this and this, and angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 3 and angle 7. These all corresponding angles are equal if M is parallel to N. In second thing, alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle, that means angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 6. These are always equal when, this is also always equal when M is parallel to the N. Okay. And same for the alternate exterior angles. When M is parallel to N, that means these two lines are parallel to each other. Then corresponding angles, alternate interior angle and alternate exterior angles are equal to each other. Okay. Now in the last term, interior angles of same side of the transversal. These are not equal to each other. They are not need to equal each other. But we have one property for this. Addition of these two angles is always 180 degree. Okay. If M is parallel to the N, then only. If M is parallel to the N, then angle 3 and angle 6, addition of these two angles, that means this and this is equal to 180 degree, and angle 4 and angle 5, addition of these two angles is 180 degree. So this property we have to use in exercise 6.2. So from tomorrow we will do exercise 6.2. Thank you.